Yeah.
Here we are, everyone. We're at Felixstowe Services, 3.2 miles off the tunnel. We've got 17 miles of range left at 6%. Yeah, so we'll charge up now. I'll show you around. Let's go. Have you got the car keys?
I'll start the charge.
You start the charge, Sam. I'll start it. Right, I've got the keys in my pocket. Oh, it's got fast chargers. What's that in my pocket? Your phone?
Yeah.
Right, so let's get this on. It'll tell us what to do. Sam's got to download the app. And we can super fast charge. So when I did my video last year for when I went on Funball Rally, yeah, you get in the train. I'll show you the video. I'll record going in to the tunnel. LeTunnel, whatever it is. So what we've done is we parked at the charging things here, over here, right? But they're dead slow. So we've just gone over to the Shell petrol station, which is there, and we parked over here, and they got 350 kilowatts, so that's like 20 minutes of charging at 79p a kilowatt. I know, yes, it's a little tiny bit dearer, but we're going to be done in 20 minutes. We've been here for over an hour waiting, and we've got 29%. So let's smash it over there, throw a few quid in it, and there we go. There you go. So here is the Ioniq. So we've come to the charger. They don't make it simple. You should just like go ping and swipe it. Now Sam's putting in like her whole life story into an app. The other one gave us 130. Toby, shut the door on the other side. Okay. It gave us 135 miles for 22 quid. It's not cost effective when you're using these chargers. We only charge our car up at work. It's a company vehicle. We charge our car up at work. We've got solar panels. It costs nothing, costs absolutely zero to thingy, because we pay into the grid every day. We've got dozens of solar panels on the building, so we get back off the electric company 14p a kilowatt, and we're putting about 49 kilowatts a day. So we charge our car up at work. Right, anyway, this is a 350 kilowatt. It's going to smash it in. We don't sit in it when it's charging. Warning, 1, do not sit in your car when it's charging, because it like lets off some kind of mad radio waves or some microwaves, and it makes you feel sick. So if you're banging 350 kilowatt on it, don't sit in it. It makes you feel sick. It pulses. You can feel it. It's weird. So everyone who's sat around on your Tesla chargers on a service station, get out. Don't have that going through you. People are saying years ago that you put your mobile phone near your head and you get microwaves through the side of your head. Anyway, let's see what's going on. Is it all done, Sam? All done, right? We're going to go for a wander, 20 minutes or so, and let you know. Is it not playing? No, it's recording now. Right, so we've been here. How many minutes? 25 minutes? 20 minutes? 25 minutes?
27 minutes.
27 minutes. And it's done. It's up to 97%. That's amazing. So that's 43p a kilowatt. So let's see how much it's done, Sam.
I don't even know.
Stop. Yeah. So for 97%, let's just go. Let's go to France.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate. Much appreciated. Right.
It smells of dad in here.
Shut up. Anyway, right, I'm off. I'm going to get the train. See ya. What's this? Confirm. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Confirm you have no pets. Electric. Next. Is it that simple? Where's my ticket? Oh, G. Oh, right, okay. Take your hanger. I got it?
That's what.
G. We're going to G, yeah? Right, so we go 10 miles an hour. I'm doing 17. I'll get told right off. And then look at all these. They're more charge points. They're all new chargers.
Yeah.
Are they?
I don't know.
What do they look like?
It looks like terminals.
All cars this way. What is that?
Oh, pay attention.
I'm paying attention. My pants.
I'm just gonna go out the.
They've got a curb with the big, massive yellow painted things. 10. Okay, I'm going 10. It's shouting at me, Sam, the sign. Okay, the sign. I'm happy. I'm doing 9 miles an hour, mate. It's 11. Let's park in here. Right, I'm going to go inside. I'm going to go and see what to do. The boys are staying here. Let's go. We're going to put the stickers on. Look. Look.
Oh.
Is it proper? Is it right? Press that twice.
Alright, what do you mean press?
Press the round bit twice. There you go. It's a bit windy around here.
Shut up, Dad!
Right, I've got to put these on, watch. Ooh.
What?
So we're going to go with it.
I
We're going to go there.
maybe.
I need something to wipe it with. Like,
Oh, look at all of this stuff.
like.
Actually, no, don't. Look at his ugly face.
What can I wipe it with?
I don't know.
I'm going to wipe it with this. Oh, it's a thingy.
Oh, don't wipe it with that. We're using that. I'm not.
On your butt.
No, we're gonna use that
That's the paint.
to wash people
There you go.
and stuff. Ooh,
Right.
that shows.
And then this goes. Oh, balls. Put my little UK sticker on the back. Because you've got to have these. Right. A couple of years ago, we went to France in the Sportage in the Kia. And we bought the kit with the triangle and the camera and all that lot of the first aid kit. That is in the front because it lives in the boot under the floor. Wait. Look at me being a professional.
I just.
As professional as I need to be, innit? That's good.
Yeah.
Right, and then this one on the front.
Dad, I don't know how to hold a camera steady.
That's okay. It's got a proper smart gimbal.
Yeah. It is proper smart.
Right, so here as well, clean that off, and
Flashbang.
done.
Let's see. Yeah.
So when I get home, I'll peel them off, so then it's all that. Thanks, Toby.
You're welcome.
I'll have my camera back now.
No, you won't. I'm stealing it.
Cheers, mate.
Don't film me. I didn't agree to that. I didn't agree to
Oh no. Right, do you know all like the 3 minutes of fun when you think you're gonna have kids, right? Don't, honestly.
What do you mean?
And if you do, call the adoption agency. No, I'm only joking. They're all right sometimes, on occasion. I'm just me and Sam are having a romantic. Sorry, did I shut down your ear?
Yeah, right down there.
Right down here. Sorry, didn't know my volume. I'm just showing Sam around a romantic night evening of down at the tunnel port. Showing her all this magic stuff. Right, let's get ready to rock and roll. So we're just coming to the UK border control. We're going to go through this border control and then we'll go up there and go to the French border control and see what goes on. So we've just been to the side bit there, lane 1, where they swab the steering wheel, swab the handles and stuff, and ask if we've got anything I shouldn't have. I was behaved, I didn't say anything stupid, did I, Sam?
Surprising.
Sam's engrossed in reading stuff. And now we're at the French passport bit. Go straight down here, get in another queue, straight down on the boat, no, train, and I'll video that. Look at him speeding through there like a lunatic. Look at him in his Audi, Vorsprung Deutsch Technique. Just go straight through. I'm going to follow him. Going down there, green. I don't know if I'm in the right lane or not. Right, this is the interesting bit. So, I don't know whether I've gone the right way. Oh no, he's got a roof box on, so we had to go a different way, didn't he? Ah, so I've gone through like below 6 foot height, and he's got a roof box on.
They're all stopped.
They're all stopped here. 50 yards. There we go. I'll get in this queue. I'll show you in a minute. So we're going down the ramp down towards the train. There's a train. There's trucks going on one over there.
I think it must be a bigger one just for trains.
Just for trucks?
Yeah, just for trucks.
Oh no, it's absolutely bam. It's sending us upstairs. So we're gonna go on the upper level. Wow. They could even wash. Look how filthy it is. You see how filthy it is?
Yeah, but it's going down 1,000,000 miles. I don't know what I'm saying.
Crazy. There we go. Let's see where we're going. Let's go in this way. We're going upstairs. Right. So this is quite a long car. That's CLS in front of us, so that's quite a long car as well. Oh my god. What do you think, boys? Go on. Go on, mister. Drive your car. Get in. It's mad, isn't it? Kai, look, we're in the train on the top level.
Cool.
Yeah, cool, mate. Yeah, well done. Thanks. Yeah. Well, cool, mate.
Teenage boys.
Teenage boys.
I'm not that bad.
Wow, what do you think, Sam? This is proper exciting. Kids in the car eating ice cream. Don't have your dogs and your ice cream in your car, you idiots. There's your toilet. There you go. What? Oh, I'm rubbing on the curb. Sugar. So the curb's touching my tyres there, and I got about 4 inches this side. Well, this is a pretty wide car, so I'm on the curb again. How far? If we keep on going down this train, we'll be in France before it actually starts. Wow. There we go. The door's shut in there. He's going to stop it here. This door might shut, and I think that's it. So let's stop recording, and we'll see you in a bit. The middle doors are shutting. The middle doors are shutting, right? And then oh wait. So he's just made us park. He's just shut these doors with a key, and then this one, they shut a door. He's shutting down now, and now we're locked in a chain. Look, it's gone. We're locked in a train. What do you think about that, boys? Oh wait, Sam's yawning. She went out last night. She didn't get in till late, and I woke up at about 6:30. I'm not even that tired, says the guy sleeping down there. So yeah, they're shutting the doors behind us, so that means there's not. We came quite a bit down, didn't we? We're probably about a third of the way down, so they've probably got another few cars coming in behind us and stuff. And then we'll, I don't know. I'm going to turn my car off. See you in a bit. Hey, can I put my camera on the window? We're moving. Look, we're moving. We're going to go into the tunnel in a minute.
Yeah, so
There's the train. There's the other train. There's the other train. The freight train's over there. Come over this side. The freight train there. That's where the wagons go. Look at all them in there. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard our train. I'm Charlie, one of the grid members.
Wow. I watched this being built, you know. So like the 80s stroke 90s. When they were building this, I watched it, and I watched it on like Blue Peter and on like on the news when they broke through to the other side. Dead good. Are we in a tunnel now? Do you know what I could say at 15? It sounds like we're in a tunnel now. It does sound like it. It does sound like it. I think we're in a tunnel.
Yeah.
I got excited 3 times just to see if we were in the tunnel, but I actually think we are now. So how many minutes is that? From setting off, 2.5 minutes until we get in the tunnel. Right? Let's go. on. Wait, let me turn this around. I just did a 20 minutes kip. I feel like I've been hit by a bus. Absolutely shattered. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning. It's now gone midnight, 20 past midnight, so 20 past 1 in France. And I'll show you we're coming off the train. These tyres are close to this side, so these toilets come up and you have to swing out wide because it nearly hits your mirrors. It's proper close. And swing back in so you don't get the curb the other side. It's going forever. It's going for absolute ever. And we're upstairs. Down the slope. Keep it wide. And there we are, back on terra firma. Sam's asleep. Let's go. Let's go find the hotel. Right, we're here. No, we'll turn the lights off in a minute. Are you up top bunk, Tobes? Yeah. Toby's got top bunk, Kai's got bottom bunk, Mum's in bathroom. We've got a double bed. Look at that. Tell us as big as an iPhone. Where's my windows? How would the windows work? Oh, got a cracking view at car park. Let's have a look. It's like 1 in the morning over here. There's a good fireplace showroom across there. Cars over there. And he's in bed. He's in bed. I'm getting in there. Manfred's getting in there.
That's really
What a day. Well, I would have some words of wisdom, but the words of wisdom is don't stay up till 1:30 in the morning because your wife goes out to a family do, and don't get up really early and abseil down a cathedral and then drive to France. Later, taters.